In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a user from your Xero accounting software. Whether you're managing changes in your team or adjusting roles, removing a user can be a simple and necessary task. So let's walk through this process step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, you'll need to log in to your Xero accounting software. Head on over to the Xero login page where you'll enter your email and password. Once you've input your credentials, click on Log In to access your account. This will bring you to your dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing all your Xero activities. Next, from your dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Accounting tab. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu where you'll select the Advanced option. This area contains more detailed settings that allow for specific functions, including user management. Once you're in the Advanced section, you'll need to look for the link that says Looking for Organization Settings. Go ahead and click on that. It's your gateway to tweaking the settings at the organizational level, which includes managing users. In this section, find and click on Users. This will present a list of all user profiles associated with your Xero account. Locate the name of the user you wish to remove and click on it. For today's explanation, let's say we are using a demo account for this process. On the user's profile page, keep an eye on the top right corner where you'll see 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on these dots will provide additional actions you can take regarding this user. One of the options you'll see is to either remove access or delete. Click whichever option best suits your need. Once you've made your choice, Xero will prompt you to confirm this action. A confirmation dialog box will appear asking you to proceed. Click on Yes, Delete User to finalize this removal process. This step is crucial as it ensures that once you make the decision, it's intentional. After confirmation, the user will no longer have access to your Xero account. This effectively ensures that security is maintained and access is controlled according to your organization's needs. And that's it, you've successfully removed a user from Xero. Managing user access can be part of regular maintenance for your accounting software, keeping your data secure and roles clearly defined. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you efficiently manage your team within Xero. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out other tutorials or reach out for support. See you next time.